Welcome back to UI UX Designer. In this video, we are going to learn about how to prototype our wireframe. In previous video, we learned about how to prototype our things, but it was not in the details. We just joined our pages like this. If you don't deleted this like prototype, you can delete that. Okay, so in this video, we are gonna do those things from the scratch. If you don't know how to delete this, just select this prototype wire and hit delete on your keyboard. That's how you delete the prototype wire. I call it wire. Okay, so currently we are in prototype. If you are in design panel, just go to prototype, and I want to prototype this one first. So okay, so this has to be like on tab. Okay, let me delete this first because for some students it might be confusing. Okay, so let me drag this towards here. Okay, so now we have some space over here. So let me click on intro page and let me join this. So in this section on intro page, we don't have any buttons or any clickable items. So for that what we can do is that we can just tap on any empty space. It will navigate to home page. So as you can see, it is navigating to home page and animation is moving. But you can set any animation, like you can set instant, dissolve, smart animation, move out, push, slide and slide out. For now, I will choose dissolve because dissolve is like basic animation, and for wireframe we should choose normal animation, not that fancy. While working on real app, we will choose different types of animation. Keep that in mind. So we choose dissolve. After that, we have ease in, ease out, ease in and out, ease in back. We have lots of animation types, so you can choose any of them. And we also get some preview, like how it will look after clicking on this empty space. And after that, we can also set the animation time, like currently it is 300, by default is 300. We can set 1000 is 1 second. So it totally depends on your design. Okay, so I don't want any fancy thing over here. Now let's go to home page, and this is the burger menu. So let's join this burger menu to this burger menu page. So I want to navigate this to burger menu. And remember one thing, like in previous prototyping thing, we added some animation like dissolve. So it will be same for this because Figma doesn't reset the animation. It keeps old animation and old settings for it. So we have to change it. Like if you want to change it, you have to change it. So I want this to be to burger menu, and it should be, let's say, move in, and the animation should be from the left like this. And we can set ease in and ease out. In ease in, it comes fast and it goes slow like this. If I choose ease out, it comes fast and adjust it like a slow like this. I know it is confusing. You can just set the time in milliseconds and you can see those things in like slow motion. So you will get the point. Okay, so for this, move in, and this will be the animation. Okay, so let's close this. After that, okay, I need this to be go. If I click this, it should go on the home page because from home page we went there. Okay, so for this, my animation will be move out and it will go towards the right like this. Okay, I will keep the time 300 because 300 looks great. If I choose 1000 or 2000, it will be very slow. Okay, so we have to prototype lots of things, like we have to prototype these two category, after that orders, after that my account, and after that profile. Okay, so let's join these two category. After that we have my orders. Okay, I didn't set anything. Okay, let me set this one first. I will keep the setting to be, I will keep it dissolve. I don't want any fancy animation for the wireframe. We will look all the animation and micro interaction in future videos because wireframe does not require any fancy things. Okay, so I will just join all the things and I will speed up the video. Okay, so I forgot, I guess, one page. There should be one notification page section, but I think I forgot that. Empty as it is. I will keep this thing as it is. I'm not going to join this to anything. So there is one magic trick. You don't want to do all of this thing all over again and again. Like for the category section, we have to join everything again and again. So in that case, what we can do is that we can just, like, we have to delete this first one. I know you heard it right. You have to delete this one as well, and this one as well. And we can just copy this frame and click on the category. You have to click on this upper name and just paste it, and it will be over here at the same location, and the prototype will be Same with account and same with my orders. So we just have to change the color of these icons. For home, it should be white because we are in category, I guess. Okay, so let's choose this one to be industrial yellow color. After that, same with this one. Okay, I went to object rating mode, white, and this is my account. So my account will be industrial yellow. You can choose any color you want. This is my favorite color, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, I again went to object rating, white. My orders is gonna be this one, and okay, so this is how it is gonna look. So if I go to prototype, it will look like this. If I click on this, you can see all the things are joined. We don't have to do those things again and again. We have to join all the things like home, shop by category, my orders again and again. Okay, I will fast forward this. Okay, in burger menu, I added some things like wish list, wallet, offer, store, coupon, and click car gift. So I didn't like design any pages for them. So if you want, you can design them. But I thought if I design this, the project will become very like big and it will be like overwhelming. So I thought let's keep it short and let's add those items to make our design look better. Okay, so we can join the burger menu again. Okay, we are almost done. Let me check and let me get the preview of our app. Let me present it again. Okay, so current is click cart and the first page we set only tab animation. Like if I tab on any empty space, it will navigate to home page. Okay, so let me tab on this empty space. Okay, it works. The animation is dissolved. Now if I click on the any empty space like this, it will show me like which things are clickable. Like in this case, category is clickable, order is clickable, as well as my account and the burger section. So let's go to category. So animation is dissolved. I already set the animation to be dissolved. And if I choose burger menu, okay, so burger menu, I didn't set the burger menu over here. So let me go to home again. Okay, home one is not set yet. So this is how like prototype work. And while scrolling through our app, we know which things are connected or which things are not connected. So my orders, and after that home. Okay, my account. And home animation is not set, so let me set the home again to everyone. Okay, in every frame I forgot to set home. Okay, so let me try it again. So if I press home, okay, it is working now. And you have press burger menu. So in burger menu we get some clickable items like home, shop by category, my orders. Okay, so this is how multiverse of prototyping looks. Okay, so that's how you can join your icons to the your pages, like home icon to the home, sorry, not home, the category icon to category page, orders icon to order page, my account to my account, and other micro interactions. This is just a basic. I know it looks like really overwhelming and really futuristic, but it is just a basic. We just have to join the icons with other pages, small micro interaction. That's the thing with prototyping. I know there are lots of things we have to cover like micro interaction, animation, and some key customization and all that. So we will see those things in future videos. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.